we're going to learn the song Santa Claus is Coming to Town for Easy Piano. We look for the 2 black keys right in the middle of the piano as our starting hand position. And we're starting on the note G. So G is this note. And then we go to an E. So we play G to E, and then we're stepping up back to G. Then we move our second finger to G and play that again, but then we go up another 3. Okay, so that again looks like. Then we go back to that same position. And we're going to do a skipping motion from E, G, then C, E, D, F, and then B, C is just a step. So again, that is E, G, C, E, D, F, B, C. The left hand part just uses bass clef C and G, or F, or A. Those are the 3 notes that we use in the left hand. So it goes C, G, C, F, C, G, C, F, C, A. Then we have G, G, and then together C and G. So when we put it together, it sounds like this. The second line is just a repeat of what the first line played then. And at the end of the second line, you're gonna move from middle C up to a treble C. And so you start there and you play probably 3rd finger's best. C, D, C, B, C, A, C, D, C, B, C, A. Then you're gonna go a little higher here. D, E, D, C sharp, D, B, 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 C, D, C, B, A, G. Oh, and then you go back to the first line and you play the first line until you see fine, and that means you stop there on middle C. The left-hand part of that second section of the song starts on a B flat. So you're gonna play B flat, F, B flat, F, then F sharp, G, F sharp, G. So when you put it together, it sounds like. Go back. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.